So I got the chance to try out some of the best riding lawnmowers in 2026. And I'll be honest, I didn't expect this much difference between them. I used them in real conditions, cutting thick grass, uneven patches, longer sessions. And what stood out isn't just power, but how comfortable and easy they are to actually use. Because at the end of the day, mowing isn't just about getting the job done, it's about how much effort it takes and how smooth the experience feels. So instead of just listing specs, I'm going to walk you through what it actually feels like using each of these in real life. The CRAFTSMAN 42 is probably the one that feels the most familiar and straightforward. The moment I got on it, it felt like a classic riding mower. Nothing complicated, just simple controls and reliable performance. It's powered by a gas engine, so you get consistent power, especially when cutting through thicker grass. The 42-inch deck is a nice balance, not too big, not too small, so it works well for medium-sized yards without feeling overwhelming. What I liked most is how predictable it is. You turn it on, and it just does exactly what you expect. Steering is smooth enough, and the seat is comfortable for longer sessions. It's not the fastest or the most advanced, but it's dependable. If you're someone who just wants a no-nonsense mower that gets the job done without any learning curve, this is a solid choice. The Ego Power Plus was one of the biggest surprises for me. It's fully electric, and the first thing I noticed is how quiet it is compared to gas mowers. No loud engine noise, just a smooth, almost silent operation. But don't let that fool you. It still has plenty of power. It handled thick grass surprisingly well, and the torque delivery feels instant. Another big advantage is how easy it is to maintain. No fuel, no oil changes, just charge and go. The ride is smooth, and the controls feel modern and intuitive. It also has a more premium feel overall, from the build to the interface. Battery life is good enough for most residential lawns, and swapping batteries is straightforward if needed. This is perfect if you want something cleaner, quieter, and easier to maintain without sacrificing performance. The Greenworks 60-volt sits somewhere between traditional and modern. It's electric like the Ego, but feels slightly more focused on practicality. When I used it, I noticed how easy it is to handle. It's lightweight compared to gas models, and maneuvering around tight corners or obstacles feels less tiring. The power is solid, not as aggressive as some gas mowers, but more than enough for regular lawn maintenance. The battery system is convenient and charging is straightforward. What stood out to me is how approachable it feels. Even if you've never used a riding mower before, you can get comfortable with this pretty quickly. It's also quieter than gas models, which makes the whole experience more relaxed. If you want an electric mower that's simple, efficient, and easy to use, this is a great option. Now the Husqvarna Z254F is a completely different experience. This is a zero-turn mower, and once you get used to it, it feels incredibly fast and precise. The turning ability is insane. You can literally spin around obstacles without needing to reposition. That alone saves a lot of time, especially if your yard has trees or landscaping. The engine is powerful, and it cuts through grass effortlessly, even when it's thick or uneven. The speed is also noticeable. You can cover large areas much faster compared to standard riding mowers. It does take a bit of time to get used to the controls, especially if you've never used a zero-turn before, but once you do, it's hard to go back. This is perfect if you want efficiency and speed, especially for larger lawns. The Husqvarna TS 248XD feels like a heavy-duty upgrade over traditional riding mowers. The first thing I noticed is how solid it feels. It's built to handle tougher conditions. Whether it's uneven terrain or thicker grass, it just powers through without struggling. The engine is strong, and the cutting performance is consistent across different conditions. It's not as fast or agile as the zero-turn model, but it feels more stable and controlled. The ride is comfortable, even over rough patches, and the overall build quality gives you confidence that it's going to last. This is the kind of mower you get if you want something durable and reliable for long-term use, especially if your lawn isn't perfectly flat. So after using all of these, it really comes down to what kind of experience you want. If you want something simple and reliable, CRAFTSMAN is a great choice. If you want modern, quiet, and low maintenance, Ego and Greenworks are solid electric options. If speed and efficiency matter, the Husqvarna Z254F is hard to beat. And if you want something heavy-duty and durable, the TS 248XD stands out. At the end of the day, the best mower isn't just about power, it's about how easy it makes your job.